The Guardian. www.ndtv.com. Trump news at a glance, royal visit designed to avoid making things more awkward between US and UK. School Assembly News headlines, April 28. Top national, world, sports, education news. Today. Yesterday. Here are the major world news headlines today, April 28, 2026, summarized clearly. Globe showing Europe-Africa global politics and conflict. US-Iran tensions remain critical. The United States is reviewing a new Iranian proposal to end the ongoing conflict, but negotiations are still stalled and uncertain. Reuters. Strait of Hormuz disruption continues. Oil flow and shipping traffic remain heavily reduced, impacting global energy markets. Reuters. Israeli strikes expand in Lebanon despite ceasefire efforts, increasing regional instability. Reuters. United States and international relations. Major security scare in Washington. A suspect has been charged with attempting to assassinate former President Donald Trump after a shooting incident linked to a high-profile event. Reuters. US-UK relations under strain. A high-level royal visit to Washington is seen as an effort to ease tensions amid disagreements over Iran policy. The Guardian. Globe showing Asia, and other global developments. Indonesia train crash. Death toll rises as rescuers continue operations. Reuters. Geopolitical tensions affecting global economy, especially energy and electronics supply chains. The Indian Express. Globe with Meridian's economy and markets. Oil prices and global markets remain volatile due to Middle East conflict and reduced energy supply routes. Reuters. AI sector boosts Asian markets, with strong tech forecasts driving stock gains. Reuters. Compass overall trend. The world is currently shaped by Middle East conflict, political instability, and economic uncertainty, especially linked to energy supply and global diplomacy.